Welcome to Gandia. Nestled on the beautiful Costa de Valencia, this lively town offers a perfect blend of golden beaches, rich culture, and vibrant fiestas. Let's explore what makes Gandia a must-visit destination. First up, Gandia's famous beaches. Playa de Gandia is a long stretch of golden sand, perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or enjoying water sports. With calm, warm waters and a lively promenade full of cafes and restaurants, it's an ideal spot for a day of relaxation by the sea. Along the beach, you'll find great beachfront restaurants serving delicious Mediterranean cuisine, including fresh seafood and local specialties. Beyond the beach, Gandia's old town is a treasure trove of history. Wander through charming cobblestone streets, explore stunning architecture like the Gandia Ducal Palace, and immerse yourself in the town's rich heritage. Gandia is also famous for its vibrant festivals, especially the Fallas. This spectacular celebration takes place every March and features elaborate, giant sculptures, fireworks, and lively parades. Locals and visitors come together to honor Saint Joseph, culminating in the dramatic burning of the Fallas sculptures. During the Fallas, the streets are filled with music, dancing, and the smell of traditional paella cooking. It's a feast for the senses, as the whole town bursts into life with excitement and joy. Stroll through Gandia's vibrant markets and local shops to pick up souvenirs, or enjoy a coffee in one of the many cafes. The town is a beautiful blend of tradition and modernity, offering something for everyone. After a day of festivities or beach fun, don't miss Gandia's breathtaking sunsets. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky lights up with vibrant colors, making it the perfect end to any day. From its stunning beaches and lively fiestas to its rich culture and warm, welcoming atmosphere, Gandia is a destination that truly has it all. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a taste of local traditions, Gandia is waiting for you.